In the pursuit of more efficient extrusion production capacity, more precise process control, and more reliable quality, BAOD Extrusion has always been at the forefront of technological innovation. We are committed to providing excellent extrusion equipment for the automotive and medical industries, continuously raising the industry standards. As an important component of automobiles, automotive seals are widely used in doors, windows, bodies, sunroofs, engine hoods, and trunk compartments. They not only provide sound insulation, shock absorption, dustproof, and waterproof functions, but also place higher demands on extrusion equipment. Since launching the first TPE TPV automotive seal extrusion line in 2007, BAOD Extrusion has accumulated over 24 years of research and design experience in plastic extrusion. With our excellent screw design capabilities, we ensure outstanding plasticizing effects and stable extrusion output for different materials. Whether it is mature PVC processing technology or the application of different materials such as TPV, TPE, TPV, TPO, PP, we can provide customized multi-composite co-extrusion configurations based on customer needs, ensuring the high quality of every seal. Our specially designed vacuum shaping cooling system ensures that the molds, tools, maintain precise, stable vacuum negative pressure and constant flow of cooling water during the production process. Whether for complex shapes or special structures, it achieves uniform and stable cooling results. The dual-motor, direct-drive traction machine achieves high-precision stable traction with an accuracy of up to 0.05 meters per minute. The load-torque control system ensures intelligent traction control, adapting to the traction needs of different seal structures. Our diverse cutting methods meet the online cutting requirements of different seal product structures, ensuring that every seal receives a perfect cut, reflecting the high quality of the product. BAOD Extrusion's extrusion production line, with its high efficiency and automation level, greatly enhances the safety and user-friendly design of the production process, ensuring ease of operation while effectively protecting worker safety. On the path to continuous excellence, BAOD Extrusion will continue to serve the automotive industry with innovative technologies and exceptional quality, helping our clients achieve more efficient, intelligent, and safer production goals. BAOD Extrusion, providing perfect solutions for your production.